a couple of things. I'm just doing a few jobs in the van today, basically. Got a nice to-do list to work my way through. So this is just going to be a van video. I'm going to try and mix it up a bit now. I'm going to change the channel name. So the channel name now is just Exit the House, and it'll just be like a combination of van videos and day out in the van videos, camping or whatever with the van. And then I'll still put the odd music video I do on there as well, or any music my daughter's release, I'll put that on, but mainly it's going to be you know, van blogs. All right, the next job on the list is some wind deflectors to go on the windows, which will also allow a bit of the condensation out, so I can leave the windows slightly open. So I've got these are Heko ones, and they're 31146s. So we'll give them a whirl. Hopefully they'll look and fit okay. I'll get a before picture. So that's what it's like on that side before. Just spin around to the front, and that's what it's going to be like on that side before. Screws, well, not screws, the actual clips, actually in a separate bag as well. Yeah, got to remove this dicky tape on that end and the small bit at that end before applying into the window. Okay, that's those out. We've just got to go and put on the in the metal clips now. That's just to help secure them, and then test that the windows go up and down. Yeah, so these are the 4 clips, and so they want them at the top and at the side. So the spike side facing the inside of the door. Go in there. Fine, click. Okay, let's do the other side. okay. Fingers crossed. Let's test the windows, go up and down. Okay, let's start with the passenger side. Oh. Yeah, they've worked. That's gone up. Start with this side. Yeah. And now the beauty of this is should be able to leave them open like that just when we're camping. Let the air in, stop on a bit of condensation, and let's have a look what they look like from outside. Yeah, looks a lot better now. I'm just going to change these ones are a bit faded. I probably will spray them in again, but for now I've just got some fresh black ones just to put on, which is the same as that one, so it just makes it look fresh. They're all on now and they're all nice and black to match the alloys. Same again this side. They've just slightly lost the colour. I'm just going to change these 5 as well. Back ones are fine, it's just the front ones. This side, that's 5. Oh, nice and shiny and black again. Next job on the long list of jobs is change the brake light. So it's a pretty simple thing. There's only 6 screws. So there's 2 to take off the light, and then there's 4 on the back of the light to open up the panel. So there's 2 screws there. So, yeah. And then slide the light to the left. That reveals the under chassis. There's just 4 screws on there. That's the old one, knackered. New one just slots straight in there. And then those 2 lugs there line up with those 2 there. You see that? That one, that one. Slide that back in. 2 screws back in there. One and 2. Yeah. Well, yeah, that's fine. That's working. Yeah.